world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. This was supposed to be my holiday video for this holiday, and we were supposed to be looking at this knife, the awesome Victorinox, and that big double tap. We were supposed to be looking at this stuff for fire starters. It was supposed to be epic. We had horrible tragedy befell us. Okay, we're going to Dubai. Okay, we're inside on our way to reception. Okay, and we are inside with the parents. And I'm in the hospital with my son and my father. Okay, I'm alone now, going back to Dubai. I will tell you the whole sad story once I am back at home, but I'm just going to break down camp and then fetch everybody so we can go home. Welcome to Dubai. But there I see a few Roybok, so at least I saw something. Things already packed up, but let me just show you what it would have looked like. Apparently last night they had a lot of animals here next to them, so this is quite cool. You have this little thing, and then you're here against the fence, and then we are or we're supposed to be here, so it was only the girls that stayed over last night. Okay, and then this is us, or we're almost us, and then here she is. I have the caravan, the bakkie is packed. Bye bye Dubai. Great as always, not your fault. Okay, so what happened was my son started throwing up late at night, early in the morning, before we were supposed to go. But it's kids, so we thought, no, that's fine, he'll get over it. He did not. Okay, my father, okay, let's do it like this. Anyway, so my son's lying there, throwing up. We are unpacking, we are setting up tents, we are getting ready to camp. Then, my father, while walking around the caravan, he had two guys at this stage setting up the tent for him. He fell, and he broke his hip. Okay. But now he would not say that, so I picked him up and placed him gently into a chair, and he made us wait for like an hour. Then when I said, okay, I'm taking my son to the emergency room, he said, okay, can I please take him with? So I had to carry him and load him into the car. Took them to emergency room. Well, he was picked up at the ambulance door, and my son had to go through the other side, and then I was running around between the two of them because it was only the three of us. We left the women folk to camp on their own, so yes, they were alone. Anyway, so then yeah, it was horrible. Stayed at the hospital until I think 7 o'clock that night. Then my son came out, took him back home, and then my father is still in there. It's been, but today was the day we were supposed to come back. No, tomorrow. I don't know. But anyway, so yes, it is quite hectic. But anyway, he's got titanium rods down his femur into the head of the joint that broke off. Yes, not the way I normally like to holiday. But anyway, I'm back at home, so I'll be making videos about things that I haven't showed you yet. All of you stay safe, happy, have a good one, and no little animal videos for you now. Goodbye.